They think I can't hit them. They're using AEGs. Juggernaut straight ahead! What? Yeah, I fucking see him, Eric. Thanks. Shoot him, Eric! Eric, shoot him! Hit! Ah! Ah! Woohoo! Back in. Take the Juggernaut. Don't let him get to him.
I'm out. Hey.
Come on, little man. I got you.
There's a dude up there camping. Hey, watch out.
Go, 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 go. Move, move. He's down. Take him down. Got you that time. Take him down. Heavy enemy contact straight ahead. Back him out, team buddy. Hit. Woohoo! YouTube's gonna love me today. Juggernaut, attack. Did somebody just tag you again?
Hey, whose team? I don't know whose team you're on.
My team.
Oh, he's brought me back. You guys tagged me, he came right out there and tagged me again.
Oh, okay. Whose team you're on?
On a 9-iron band.
Oh.
But he tagged me.
Pass him down by the Juggernaut.
YouTube's gonna love that shit.
They're gonna love. Dude, I ran all the way around there, got like 8 of your guys.
Yeah.
They ran from the Juggernaut, just got him right in the back.
Yeah, I got him first the very first time.
Yeah, I saw it. And then he got me out. So, when I'm out, if I don't get tagged,
Back in over here, orange.
how do you get back in?
Right here, I'm orange, right here.
There's no like bleed out time?
No.
Oh shit. Oh, should have thought about that. Medic. By enemy spawn. Juggernaut's not friendly.
That's cool. Y'all teammates at? Did you get over here and get y'all tagged back in.
Boy, they got a bunch of guys over there. I killed about 6 of them.
Oh, they still over there?
Yeah. Unless there's somebody tagging them back in on the tugboat. Hey, somebody come get me. Top of the hill, there's no one up here. I'm dead. I'm dead. Not you. I was talking to him. You got a teammate running back there. Tell him to get you.